Namaste. My name is Naledi David Makakan. As an international student from Lesotho, my journey to Chandigarh University to pursue law has been nothing short of extraordinary. Leaving behind my country and venturing into a new country was pretty much a challenge for me. But the moment I arrived in campus, I felt the sense of warmth and inclusion. At Chandigarh University, the importance of practical learning is understood very well. Hence, through moot courts, internships, and real-world case studies, students are prepared well to make significant breakthroughs in their legal careers ahead. Moot court facilities at Chandigarh University is world-class, providing me with perfect platform to sharpen my legal skills and gain practical experience. The modern infrastructure, along with well-equipped classroom, a law library, provides with the best resources that one needs to excel in the legal domain. But perhaps the most memorable aspect of my journey here was attending the International Law Conference, meeting renowned legal luminaries from India and abroad. Not only broadened my understanding of the law, but also exposed me to diverse perspectives of which will undoubtedly shape my future career. Looking back on my time at Chandigarh University, I am filled with gratitude for the invaluable experiences and friendships that I have gained. And as I prepare to graduate, I am proud to say choosing Chandigarh University was one of the best decisions I've ever made. I have made the right decision for my legal career, and now it's your turn.